not one single person here knows everything about mining, about the industry. But I think we can all benefit from really just trying to figure out what it is we're doing here. Why are we here? What do we want to accomplish? You can go back and tell your spouse, hey, this is what I learned. This is why you let me get away for 3 days. And this is what we're going to accomplish in the next 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. And this is why we're spending hundreds of thousands of dollars doing this or that. What is your goal? Why did you come here? What were you hoping to accomplish? And really try to think about it in this kind of a format, time bound. What do you want to accomplish, and when do you want to accomplish it by? And not just what am I going to accomplish, but here's how I'm going to accomplish it. Yeah, so your goal, it doesn't have to be a big, hairy, audacious goal. It could be a very small subsection of something that you're trying to accomplish.